Yo, last unboxing video. This is for the R1 project, the 09. This one I believe is the chain also. Let's open it. Shit. This one is an O-ring chain. Receipt. It's called Unibear motorcycle O-ring chains, blah blah blah. Applied advanced heat treatment process, strong resistance to impact, good wear resistance. What else? High-tech heat treated alloy steel, pre-stretch and anti-fatigue, mesh belt, blah blah blah. Solid rollers and bushes. Sorry. Yeah, this is the chain. It's a gold one. It's 150 links for the stretch bike. Also comes with the I'm gonna change this one to a rivet one, master link. This one can snap off when you give it a nice fucking pulls on the bike. So I'm gonna change that one. And this is the chain itself. It's nothing too fancy, it's just a regular chain. It's 150 links. It's a gold one, as you can see. Really nice gold. So let's see how big it is. Oh yeah, it's big. Shit. Okay, that's the chain. Wow, this bitch is pretty long. Yeah, it's a 530 chain, 150 links for the stretch. If you're going to do a stretch mod to your bike, these ones are the ones you have to get. It depends on what pitch of the freaking chain your bike uses. Most of them they use the 525 or a 520. It depends on the size of the engine, but most they recommend to get a 530 for the power of the 1000cc bike. So I don't know, just go from there. Whatever you want to go, whatever you want to buy or try, it is all up to you. But this one took like 5 days to get here, and I paid, I think, $60 with free shipping and handling, and I think it's okay. Hopefully it lasts, and but it looks really good. Hopefully it doesn't wear out too quickly, but when it's all finished and done, I'm gonna put everything on the bike and then show you a video with all the add-ons that I did on the bike, and hopefully you like it. So this is the last unboxing video of this stuff. I think I got some other random stuff coming in, some other parts that I ordered, so I'm gonna keep doing some videos on stuff that I get, and let me know what you guys think. Give me any input. I'll be happy to help you and whatever, you know. So see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and see you.